Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers. I'm here to talk to you today about our Weld On Hardtails for 1982 to 2003 Sportster. The Harley Sportster has become a very popular platform for a lot of guys that are building choppers or bobbers and want that hardtailed, old school bobber look. And it's easy to see why. They're plentiful, they're inexpensive, and very reliable platform. Nice thing about the Sportsters is there's a good aftermarket support for them as well, and you've got a lot of choices when it comes to getting your bike to a hardtail. You can purchase a full frame, or what I prefer to do is to use a Weld On Hardtail Kit. There's a lot of advantages to using a Weld On Hardtail Kit. For one, it's a lot less expensive than buying a complete frame, and probably even more importantly, they're very easy to title, insure, and all the related issues that you run into with using a custom construction frame depending on the state that you're in, because it maintains the stock front half of your bike, so you still got your stock serial numbers, and for all intents and purposes your insurance company sees it as it's a Harley Sportster still. That's nice. There's some options for hardtails out there, and I really think that the one that we offer is probably one of the nicest ones you're going to find on the market, and here's why. For one, it's 100% made in the USA. It's all CNC mandrel bent from DOM steel tubing, very high quality construction. These are built in a very precise CNC machine fixture, so you're not going to have fitment issues. I mean, they're slugged at every attachment point for strength. These motor mounts fit perfectly. They've got the recesses in them for the rear transmission dowel pins that are on your bike. Another nice thing about these, and definitely these motor mounts are a big reason for it, is it makes it very easy to install. As long as you tighten these 4 bolts right to the back of your transmission casting on your motor there, your motor in a sense acts as a jig when installing these. Once those are tightened down, there's no really way that the hardtail can move left and right. And these are built so precisely that your chain and everything's going to line right up. All you've got to do is complete 3 welds, backbone and the 2 lower rails. Very simple install. Another nice thing about these is they come with really detailed mounting instructions. There's every single step, there's pictures, and we're always available after the sale via phone or email, whatever you like. Also come with every single piece of hardware you're going to need to use your stock wheel, brake caliper, axle, everything. They even come with the axle adjusters, the linkage to make a brake stop, complete bolt-on kit. And I haven't really seen anything else in the market that is as complete as these.